Alright, what's going on, guys? Got another unboxing video today. This time it is on the new Summit Racing sponsored livery Jeep Gladiator from Axial, based on their SCX24 platform. This is actually my first SCX24 truck I have. I've got a couple TRX4Ms and the FMS FCX18, I guess is what it's called, trucks. But yeah, this is a limited edition truck, I believe. So you can see it's got a Summit Racing livery. Pretty cool. Modeled after, I guess that's a Summit Gladiator. But yeah, let's get this thing open and get into it. Really appreciate y'all watching. We're getting really close to 1,000 subs. I never really had any idea this channel would grow that fast, but I really appreciate all y'all watching. Help me enjoy this hobby. Let's see. All right. So let's see. We got the truck here. Got it held in with some zip ties. Snip those off. Just got one zip tie there. All right. Get that out of here. Alrighty. Let's see. That's a pretty good looking truck. Looks like it does come with a Proline plastic B-locks as well as the Proline Mickey Thompson Baja. Let's see if I can get the camera to get a good shot of that. It is not wanting to focus. There we go. It's got the Proline Baja Pros on there. From the factory, it's pretty cool. And also, if you can see them in there, has the Proline big bore aluminum shocks. So comes with some upgraded parts straight out the box. Pretty cool. Looks like it's the Sting Gray color that you can get the real Gladiators in. Got a nice matte finish on the roof at the bed. Looks like it's got just let's see. I guess I'll give you a good shot of it. Got a nice detailed plastic rear bumper. Rear front bumper looks like it's got functional lights. I haven't put the battery in yet, obviously, to see, but yeah, pretty cool looking truck. I really like that it comes with the Mickey Thompsons on it right out the box. And shock's still decent. They got oil in them for sure. Probably could use a little more oil, to be honest. But yeah, for a box stock truck, pretty cool. Let's see what we got in the rest of it. It should just be a battery, charger, and controller. Get this thing out of here. Yep, got the standard Spectrum controller. Got steering and throttle trim. A pretty basic remote. It looks like it does come with some scale detail parts. It's pretty cool. You got, let's see. Looks like you got a shovel, some traction boards, a high lift jack, fuel cans. Pretty cool that they're including that. Looks like there's some other stuff in here. I'm gonna bust this guy open and see what else we got. Looks like maybe a rooftop tent. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, looks like a rooftop tent there. I'll have to put it on there and see how it looks. That's pretty cool. Got that. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, definitely a rooftop tent, because here is the bed accessories, like a bed rack that the 1/10 scale Gladiator from Axial has. Looks like it's very similar setup. Really do get a lot for your money with this truck. It's like $10 more, like it's 150 bucks, I believe. Where the base, maybe 159. This charger, where the base truck I think is 149, so it's $10 more, and you get scale parts, Proline Mickey Thompson Bajas, and oil-filled Proline aluminum shocks. So yeah, and a nice looking body. Here you got some different springs, it looks like. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like a drive shaft piece and something else. Batteries, manual, and yeah, that is it. Let me clear this box off of here. Move some of this out of the way. Let's see. Bear with me. This is my first, like I said earlier, first 24 scale axial. Trying to see how the body pops off. I'm used to my Traxxas where it's got a little, Velcro. That's right, I knew that. Got Velcro up front and a hinge system in the rear. Looks like it's got a Spectrum. What is this? Little Spectrum. Pretty small battery, little 350 milliamp LiPo. Looks like it's 2S. I know the TRX4M and the SCX18s do come with a larger battery. However, they are 1/18 scale, and this is advertised as 1/24. So, yeah, I'm curious to see how long it lasts. Yes, Spectrum Smart 2-in-1 ESC. Looks like it's just a. Oh, I lied. It is actually maybe a 5-channel receiver. It's got 5 different ports in there. Don't quote me on that. Like I said, this is my first one, so yeah. Pretty good looking chassis. Got plastic links, plastic drive shafts, axles, servo on axle setup. Gives you another good shot of those aluminum Proline shocks. Really like that it comes with those standard. Like I said, could use some more oil. Have oil in it. You can see could use a little more oil, maybe a little heavier oil in it, but yeah, that is it. We'll get this dude out later on in this video. If you want to see some running footage, we'll take it out, see how it does. And for those of y'all that are curious, this is a 1/18 scale. Let's see. Tell you what, I'm gonna set them all up side by side. Give you a good representation. We'll pop this camera off of there because it is not wanting to focus. Give you a good up close shot. All right. So this is starting from right to left. That's the FCX Hummer EV. Really cool looking truck. It is box stock minus the wheels and tires. Those are the just some cheap copper beadlocks off of Amazon with some cheap knockoff boggers. And then this is a TRX4M High Trail. I guess that's what they call it. K10. It has some aluminum beadlocks, and these are the stock Mickey Thompsons actually versus the Proline Mickey Thompsons. Let's see here. As you can see, the Proline Mickey Thompson on the Gladiator are a lot more aggressive. These would be more like the Baja Pro XS, I believe is what it's called, which is more of like the street trim tire, where these would be the Baja Pro X, like what a lot of the full-size crawlers run. I believe they come up in like a 43 and a 46, pretty gnarly tire. But yeah, that is a pretty good, let's see, pretty good size representation. Let's see if I can get a wheelbase shot for y'all. Film this with my phone, so bear with me. So as you can see, the Hummer is huge. It is quite large. See the wheelbase and just over, I mean, it's just a pretty big truck. Yeah. I got quite a few minis. There's my mother's up there, but yeah, stay tuned and I will get this, dropping stuff over here. I will get this Gladiator out and get some good footage of it. Give y'all a little better view of everything. Really like that body and livery. It's pretty cool. Tires look good. They don't look overly, I'll take that back. They're big, but they're not huge. They look like, you know, it's a Gladiator stuff in some 43-inch tires. Yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned if you want to watch some running footage. impressed that this pulled that actually bone stock. So far this thing's doing really good. Servo actually seems pretty adequate. Excuse my one-handed driving here. Still getting used to this.